What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is Haywood the Guru, aka Soccer God, Studio One Eye Productions. I got some soccer locks for you today. I'm primarily focusing on Mexico tonight, but I got some bonus shit for you if you get this video in time. Cause these games start at 2:30, 2:45, 3 o'clock. Starting in the Belgium Jupiler Pro League, we got Charlie Roy at Gent. Who you like? Charlie Roy is a little bit better form right now. Go to FlashScore.com. Get all your soccer news and notes. Right now, my screen is loading very slow. Last few games, we got Gent, tie, lost to Royal Union. They ain't been too good. Charlie Roy been pretty decent. The only thing I feel about this game is Gent is at home. The last time they were at home, they beat Charlie Roy a-hole 5-0. So Charlie Roy, what have you been doing on the road? 2-3. Not that impressive. Not that impressive. This is a high probability of a draw. They both got 8 wins. The only thing, Gent will draw. They will draw. But Charlie Roy will lose. So let's see where they're doing this mostly. I'm probably looking at a draw. This look like a 1-1 game. They both 5-2-3 at home. They both dead on the money at home. The big difference is Charlie Roy loses more on the road. See, they'll draw on the road. To me, that means Gent is a better team. Boy, give me Gent. Let's go. We ride with Gent. We ain't gonna spend no more than 3 minutes on it. That was 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Burnley. We're in England Championship League. That's their second league. That's not their top league. But their second league is ranked pretty high in the world amongst leagues. And we got Burnley at Sunderland. Burnley been balling. Sunderland beat them last though. They were on though. Burnley done draw most of their home games. They done draw their last home game. Sunderland, they ain't playing too good on the road. They'll draw. I know Burnley leading this league right now. They in second now. They done fell off by 1 point. Sunderland right here. Man, this is a top draw game, boy. Sunderland. See, Burnley 6-6 at home. Half draw, half wins. They 9-4. But then away, they pretty much a little better away. And then Sunderland 5-4-4. Man, I can't bet this game nothing but a draw. I lean more towards Burnley at home. But Sunderland, man. Boy, balling. They both battling for that spot. Battling 50 points. Sunderland with home, I think Sunderland could take it. Burnley draw too much at home. Let's go. In England League 2, Harrogate at Cheltenham. Boy, let's go. Let's go. I've been on all these leagues, boy. We've been on all this shit, boy. Let's go. Cheltenham, a little bit better looking. They look a little bit better than Harrogate. I'm telling you. What the fuck? Let's go to the National League one. Yowville at Gateshead. Slow, slow. Yowville, boy. Yowville Town Football Club at Gateshead. They've been drawn. Gateshead been losing, but they beat them last. Gateshead been busting them at home, but Yowville beat them at home. They ain't. This is like a draw game too, bro. I'm just being honest. Look at Gateshead. They up there. Yowville on draw dogs. I call them draw dogs. At home, they 4-4-5. They're gonna be just like this, 4-5-5. Gateshead. How y'all do on the road? Draw. I gotta use that as a draw too. Yowville and Gateshead. Draw. They gonna draw, man. It's all day. Let me see if they gonna let me look at Harrogate now again, man. Come on, man. Cheltenham. Man, I like Cheltenham, man. Harrogate, y'all lost 3 straight at home. They don't draw 3 straight on the road, though. They gotta watch that. Them boys 7-4-14, man. And they 4-0-8. They do not draw. They on a bad slide. And Cheltenham. They ain't too good. Man, this a draw too, bro. I'm just sorry to tell you. This a draw too. I'm leaning towards Cheltenham, but it's worth more to just bet the draw, man. I lean towards Cheltenham and Burnley on these draws, but I like the draw. In England, National League North, Farsley at Scarborough. Boy, Scarborough balling this year. No, that's Scunthorpe. I'm getting them mixed up, my bad. I got them a little mixed up here. Farsley Celtic. Good. Look at them, 7-9-9. Man, y'all boy like the draw. This the draw dogs. I call them draw dog. And at home, Farsley, man, y'all 1-1-6. Y'all can't even win no home game, bro. I can't bet on this game because they they one of the better teams on the road. But they still lost 4 straight. Just think about that. They were 6-2-5. Look at them. They 3-5-5 and lost 3 out their last 4. Man, I wish I would bet. I bet all this shit a draw. Farsley and Scarborough draw. Yes, sir, dog. I hate to tell you, look like England. France League One, Montpellier at Monaco. Huh? Monaco. Y'all been bull jiving Monaco. Y'all might be a draw away too. We might draw. It might be the draw day today. Montpellier. They done lost 4 out their last 5 and 1 draw. And they only beat them 1 time out of the last 5. Monaco been bopping them. Bopping. They trying to do something at home. 2 draw, 1 win, and 2 losses. 2 draw, 1 win, 2 losses. Same thing, man. The same thing. Same thing. It's looking like the same thing. Monaco, man. I know y'all boys a draw. I know y'all a draw. I know it. I know you guys. Come on, man. What y'all taking so long to load? This is not right. Finally. Monaco, number 3, 9-4-4. Look at Montpellier, man. Can you really bet against Monaco, like, in this situation? You know how they do you, boy. They love to draw. Montpellier, they 2-3-4. Shit, they don't draw a lot now. Monaco on the road ain't looking. They 4-2-2. Done draw 2 straight. Look at Lily, 4 straight draws, man. They on this little. Man, I wish I would bet on this game, but the draw. And Monaco, draw. Shit, I might straight bet all these draw, because I know if I go 40%, I'm a profit in that particular aspect. Let's go. I like Lily and nice. That's an inside joke. I had an old lady, my homeboy aunt. I dated her for a while. Her name was Lily. Just as we were really getting into betting soccer, and we came across the FrANCE league for the first time. We started really betting in France, and we noticed Lily, and we were tripping off that. And Lily used to be a thorn in my neck, and I thought, man, it's because I'm dating Lily. I like Lily. They done draw 3 straight with nice. And nice ain't no punk, nah. Nice ain't no punk, nah. Them boys nice. Them boys nice. Huh? Them boys nice. OGG nice. Boy. They right there. Nice. Right above them. Look at Lily. 8 draws. 4 straight. Man, Lily, what y'all doing? Y'all can't be nice right now. Y'all 4-3-1 at home. Nice 5-3-0. Pretty much the same. Nice 3-3-3. And y'all 3-5-1. See? Man, get out of here, man. The boy gonna draw. Lily and nice draw. Boy. Alright, like I said, this is the play. We're gonna straight bet these 6 draws we looked at, and look like they primarily in the England league, but 2 in France, plus 340 for Monaco. Ooh, plus 248 for Lily. Ooh, let's go to Europe. England Championship League. Burnley plus 215. Ooh. England League 1. No, England League 2. Harrogate plus 225. National League. Yowville and Gateshead plus 255. Plus 255. Then we got Farsley and Scarborough. Scarborough, big favorite. That one might not make it, but I believe in it. Plus 321. So that means all you gotta do is hit 2 of these, and you'll profit pretty good. You can go 50% and do really good, but you can go 40%. Not even quite. Let's see. What's 2 of 6 is 246. That's a third. Okay, so that's 33. That's 33% if you only hit 2 of these. So, and that was my benchmark number, actually 34% on this strategy when I do the 10 draws, when I bet all these as a draw. You get me? Draw, 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 draw. 2 of those hit, we profit. Because they all plus 2 something and more Cause think about it, if you lose four of those bets, you lost $400. Let's say you bet $100 each, you lose $400 because four of them lost. But let's say the bottom two, because I really believe Montpellier and Monaco and Lily and Nice are gonna draw, which is plus 248 and plus 340. That's 340 plus $248 plus your $100 back. Okay, so literally you have 440 back and 348 back. That'd be almost $800. You will win. You feel me? That's so.